Hey there, YouTubers. I'm filming with one hand, and if you have seen my videos, you will recognize this truck, and I put stickers on it. Just made it a bit, what I had left over with certain things. There's a nice line head here, and this is a freaky detail that actually it came off a Fanta bottle, and I thought this looks so freaking cool. It's an orange, and it's all, it just looks so weird, and I thought, well, let me put it on here, and I decided to make this my RC Monster Jam truck. As you can see, it has Monster Jam stickers all over it on top there as well. But anyways, what I'm going to do is just make a wheelie bar for it. Just cut out a piece of paper for the template, and then put it on here, and then obviously, I'm not paying attention, I apologize, and then just put it on here. On the other side, of course, is the other one. Here's metal plates that I'm going to use. Well, actually I just needed one, but I brought two just in case I mess up or something. So, and here are the rods. Had to obviously cut them into size for across here, and then screw. But when it's all done, gonna make a nice little video about it, and yeah, I'm pretty chuffed with this thing. Well, today at work, as well as this is our old drill press, and it broke, the motor broke, and it wasn't working, and as well as the belt was working, and here's a piece that's broken off, and this is bent in a little bit, but oh well. And well, I said to my boss, well, I'm going to throw it away, I'm going to use it. So what I did is, and fortunately the handle here got lost because it got thrown away in the metal bin, but it got lost somewhere. So what I did is I'd just what do you call it, a metal plate, drilled a hole here in the middle, welded it onto there, and then these three prongs on there. And but the thing is, I'm going to use it as my tapping drill, because every time I hand tap, then they break off. I don't know, maybe it's just something that has to do with my ADD or something, or my motoric isn't working properly in my brain. But oh well, anyways, apart from that, so if you have an old drill press and you're not doing anything, you think, well, throw it away. If you are struggling with tapping or whatevers, and you don't have a CNC machine or whatevers, and obviously I don't have the money and the funds for a CNC machine, so I thought to myself, well, and I've done it before. Just put your tap in there, and then put your part. And I do have a little vice grip for here, and I just grip it onto here. Put my rod into there, and then obviously you have to tilt the plate. Oops. Have to tilt the plate like this, because if you put it onto here and then you tilt the plate, or tilt it, and you just move it on there, and then, well, I'm gonna make a little, just gonna show you a little bit here. So, see in a bit. Well, here I've got it all set up, and as you can see, like I said, you need to tilt this, and then just put this aside, and then what I do is that I just bring it down. Oh, I'm not filming properly, excuse me. And then I just bring it down, and then with my hand I start tapping it. So like I said, if you're struggling to tap and you don't have a CNC or whatever, just get yourself a small little table grip or vice grip, and if you have an old drill press, or even just, you can use your drill press that is working, just remove the belt. If you have one that with adjustable belts, but obviously all of them nowadays have adjustable belts, so all you have to just remove this belt, and this is just spinning freely. Put your tap into there, and then you can go ahead and then start tapping away. And I've tapped with this one, I've tapped more than 300 holes with it, and absolutely no problem. Just put a dab of oil in here, of course, so it, just to keep the heat reduction down. well, this is another video for me, but obviously on the way that I'm going to be building this piece by piece, and then I'll make videos about it. And well, thanks for watching. This is a top RC tip for you guys out there, or just working in your garage, in your workspace, or whatever. If you want to tap something or whatever. Obviously, this is for little taps. I mean, you don't need it for big taps. Obviously, it's not going to break that easily. But anyways, top tip for you guys out there. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. And I'll be obviously filming this and putting the rear wheelie bar on here. And I don't know if I'm going to make a front bumper for this, but I think I'm going to do it. But I'm just going to see what happens and see what kind of materials I have left over with this. So, well, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe, have fun out there on the RC trails. And, well, I like to entertain and inform you guys with my RC videos and with my channel and whatnot. If you like my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell button, like, share, whatever, you know. Well, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Okay then, bye, see ya.